Hi babe, it's Vicky here. I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. Before I get started into the contents of this video, Happy New Year, Happy 2020, and just in case you haven't heard it, enough. Compliments of the new season. Compliments of the new season. Shall I say it one more time with the people at the back? Compliments of the new season. But anyway, today I'm doing my first face of 2020. I am very excited about this video. It's my first time in a while. But before we get into the video, I'd like to take a moment and thank everyone, every single one of you guys for subscribing. We are almost at 600 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for everyone who've seen. Sahua, come quickly. I'm so grateful to everyone who saw my videos and deemed me worthy of clicking subscribe. I do not take that for granted, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, do like, comment, subscribe, all the good things. If you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe. And I'm just gonna get started with this video before I keep talking too much. Okay, so I'm ready to begin. I haven't done this in such a long time. Please give me a minute. I need to fix something. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. I haven't done this in a really long time. I haven't filmed a tutorial in such a long time, but I decided I wanted to do like a first face for 2020. This is not necessarily a how I'm doing my makeup in 2020 kind of video. It's just my first face beat of 2020. Okay, so to find my face, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Now, I've been on YouTube for quite a while, so I can't even say if you've been watching my channel, but honestly, if you've been watching my channel, you'll know how much I love this primer. Do not tell me that primers don't make a difference. I don't believe that. That is propaganda, and I really don't believe that, because in my life, in my world, primers are a must. No, seriously, primers are a must, please. I'm not kidding, it's not a joke. I'm gonna prime my lips with the Catrice Lip Super Serum. I've shown you guys this before in my... I showed this in my whole video. So yeah, alright, so everything is primed. I'm now gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'm gonna use just a little bit of that. Just like that. I'm going to set it with my Yardley Absolute Translucent Loose Powder. Alright, so we are nice and primed and crease free. But I have two palettes with me. I have the Unicorn Source palette, and I have this Colors Limited eyeshadow palette. I've reviewed this on my channel before, and this is actually the palette that I carried with me like the whole of December. This is the only thing that I packed, mostly because of its size, but I'm going to use both the palettes today. Because my Unicorn Source palette doesn't have any transition shades, I'm just going to go in this palette, and I'm going to use this brown color here. So I'm going to go into this color. So I'm just going to dust off the color, and I'm gonna go into that transition shade that I used earlier. Same brush, and I'm going to blend. Okay, so I really didn't want to do a cut crease, but I don't have much of a choice. So I'm going to cut my crease with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, then I'm going to set it with my loose powder. Okay, so then I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to go in with this blue color over here. So I'm taking my Prime and Fine Catrice spray and I'm spraying it onto a brush. And I'm taking that, I think it's like cobalt blue. I'm just gonna apply it on this part. I'm going to take that brush that I used for the darker blue and I'm just going to blend out where these two meet. Alright, so I'm going to add some silver on the inner corners of my eye. I'm just going to take this silver color from my colors palette. I'm going to put it in the corner of my eye. So this is it for the eyeshadow part. I'm going to apply my Essence The False Lashes mascara and then I'm going to put on my Essence eyeliner and then my lashes and then I'll be back. I did my foundation and my highlight off camera using the NYX StudioFix foundation and the LA Girl Pro Concealers. So I'm going to go in with the bright blue that I used here and I'm going to go in with it underneath my eye. Not too much, just on the outer corners. And I'm going to take a smaller brush, that bright blue again, and then I'm going to go into the silver eyeshadow and I'm going to apply that on my bottom lash line, just there. Just right there. Okay, so to contour my face, I'm gonna use my NYX Contour Duo and a blush brush from Kayla. I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Yardley Stay Fast powder and caramelized. Just gonna take that powder and apply it anywhere where I didn't apply makeup and just over the contour to make sure that I set everything. So guys, you'll notice that in most of my videos, I don't contour my nose. I just don't do it. I know you will look better with a perfectly contoured nose. I know. But I'm not that insecure about my nose, so it tends to slip my mind and I feel like it doesn't make me any less or any more of a professional. I don't think there's much to contour. I mean, I can do it. If you want me to do it, or if you want me to teach you guys how to do it, I can, but I don't do it that much. I don't know, I don't feel the need to do it for myself. I do it mostly on like my clients. Whenever I do have clients, I do contour their noses. But on myself, it's a step that I can skip and that I never feel bad about skipping. For blush, I'm going to use the Yardley London Blush, and this is in Safari Sunset. I love this color. I love this blush. I just feel like it looks so good, and especially on my skin tone, I feel like it doesn't have that, ooh, she's wearing a blush, look at her. Like, it doesn't have that. It's nice and deep. It's flattering. It's complimentary. And I've never really gone wrong with it. I haven't. I just haven't gone wrong with it. Then today, I am going to set my face with setting spray before applying my highlighter. I always feel like it looks better when I apply my highlighter after the setting spray. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to set my face with the Catrice Prime and Fine spray. So my face is dry, and as you can see, like, I am glowing. I really love this setting spray. I really think it's good. I think you should probably try it out. If you do see it in the store, just try it out for yourself and let me know what you think. I don't think it's gonna do well if you have oily skin because it's not mattifying, but they do have one that is mattifying. It's just that I bought this one, but it leaves this nice glow that I absolutely enjoy. So I'm now gonna go in with my LA Girl lip liner in Espresso. I bought this recently and it's already like almost halfway. I love this thing so much. I'm going to apply the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in, what's the color? It's in Berlin. And then on top, I'm gonna use my Avon Mark Lip Lacquer, the matte one. And this is in the shade, this is a Naked Crush. By the way, if you haven't seen my video on my favorite lip combos, do check that out. I do speak about this and other lip combos that I really like. And to almost finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna take my LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder. I don't know if the hype on this has died down or what, but I remember how this one used to be a favorite. Still a favorite of mine. I still like it. Ooh, y'all see why I like this? Do y'all see why I like this? Okay, lang jealous, please. Okay guys, so that is how I achieve this makeup look. If you haven't yet subscribed, please remember to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh yes, if you're still here, here's a video for you to check out. Just check it out. You might like it. You'll never know. You just might like it. You just might like it.